Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Both devices use the same Apple ID and are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable Bluetooth and keep both screens unlocked. This speeds discovery and handshakes. Make sure iCloud settings are accessible, go to Settings and tap your name to verify. You do this now because syncing relies on account parity and a stable connection. Without them, data transfer stalls. Next, we move into the specific sync settings you'll enable. Now you open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle each app you want to sync. This is where choices matter. For photos, enable iCloud Photos so libraries merge. For messages, toggle Messages in iCloud to keep threads consistent. Make sure iCloud Drive is on for documents, and verify contacts and calendars are chosen to avoid duplicates. While toggling, watch for prompt confirmations. Accept merges rather than replacements when asked, because that preserves data across both devices. To finish, give iCloud time to upload and download changes. You can track progress in settings under your account. Patience matters. If something doesn't appear, toggle the individual iCloud setting off and back on, which forces a resync, and then restart the device to clear transient issues. Make sure both devices run current iOS versions and are signed into the same Apple ID. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh the iCloud connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.